Hi viewers, I am telling you how to download and install MetaTrader Indicator. First of all, we open MQL5 website. We go to Codebase. Click on left side menu, MetaTrader 4 indicators. Now, you can see all indicator list. We download 3-color MACD. Here right-click, and click Save Link As. We download it to desktop. Close website. Open MetaTrader platform. Click here on Book. This will open Meta Editor. On left side, right-click on Indicators, and click on Open Folder. A folder that contains indicator opened. Now copy indicator from desktop and paste it to indicator folder. Close folder. Close MetaTrader platform and open MetaTrader again. Now click on Insert menu, click on Indicator, and then click on Custom. Now you can see list of indicators. We click on 3-color MACD. On Input tab you can see parameters. You can change it, but now we click OK. You can see lower chart windows a colorful MACD. Good luck!